you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It's about some new contacts that I've gotten, and I have actually been wearing them for a while. I wanted to do a good long wear test with them to give you guys my full opinions. A lot of times I just show you guys like the first time I've ever tried the contacts, but today I really wanted to let you guys know how the contacts wear, how long they last, and how long I can wear them for each day, how comfortable they are, and just give you a more well-rounded review as opposed to just a first look. So today's contacts are from a company called Just for Kira. Just for Kira is a contact company. They did contact me on Instagram, so thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video and sending over these contacts. So they do give you a info card, and they give you description on how to wear your contacts. Now the color that I'm wearing right now is the gem brown, and I do have it in a power that's -2. That's my prescription, so you can get it in any prescription that your doctor prescribes for you, and you just send them over the prescription, and you can get your color contacts in prescription, or you can just get your color contacts plain. So like I said, the color that I'm wearing right now is gem brown. You also are going to get a contact case with your contacts that you purchase. The way you open it is you pull it up like this, and that's how you open the contact. It does come with a tweezers, but I never used a tweezers. As far as contact solution, I literally just use whatever store brand of whatever store I'm in. So I'm going to take one of the gem brown contacts out so you can see what the color looks like without me wearing one. My natural color is dark brown. So this is what the contacts are looking like in. And I did just wash my hands. So my hands are absolutely clean. I'm gonna just put a little bit of solution on my hand. So this is what my eye looks like without the contact. So the next color I'm going to show you guys is crystal brown. Alright you guys, so that is the end of the show and tell, and I just wanted to come back to give you guys my thoughts. I rarely do this for contact reviews, but I really thought it was important to do it for this one because this brand really does stand out to me, and I'll tell you all the reasons why. First of all, because of comfort. The contacts are extremely comfortable. They're easy to put in. They go in on the first time every time, and I love that. I've been wearing contacts ever since I was in high school. I didn't get diagnosed with needing glasses until I was in high school, and by that point I was so used to not wearing glasses I didn't want to wear glasses, and I was old enough to wear contacts. So as soon as I got my glasses when I was in high school, I also got contacts at the same time. So I've always been a contact wearer, and these are extremely comfortable. Again, speaking to the comfort is also the ease of wearing them. They're very easy to wear and easy to wear for a long time, and I even made the mistake of falling asleep in them when I went on my trip to Tampa, and I did that twice, and they really didn't irritate my eyes. I didn't have any redness, or a lot of times if you fall asleep in your contacts, once you do finally take them out, it's hard to put them right back in. But since I didn't bring my glasses with me when I went on my trip, I fell asleep with the contacts in. I literally took them out and then like an hour later had to put them back in, and I didn't have any discomfort. So the contacts are really, really easy to wear and very, very comfortable, and they don't make my eyes red and they don't make my eyes tired. A lot of times that's a really key sign to cheap contacts, is when they make your eyes red and they make your eyes tired and you just feel like you need a break and you have to take them out. But these don't feel like that. I also love the color. I think the color does a really good job of covering my eye color but also blending with it as well. Sometimes when the contact color covers your eyes so much, it just looks really, really crazy and it's hard to wear. So I tend to steer away from contacts that completely block out the color of my eyes underneath. I like contacts that show a little bit of the color of my eyes underneath and then also show the color that the contact is. So for these reasons, I really, really like these contacts. If you're in the market for color contacts, whether prescription or not, definitely make sure you check out this company. I will leave links down below so you can go ahead and check them out for yourself. Let me know what you think and let them know that Jess sent you. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go ahead and hop over. I'm gonna post a couple pictures over there so you can see the contacts over on my IG as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Share this video, share with a friend, share with a contact lover, share this video with your mama. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.